Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review. This time on a Sunwayman F40A. Now I was sent this flashlight by Banggood.com for review, so let's open this light up and see what's in. Now this light does run on 4 AA's, and we're going to go ahead and see if it's worthy enough to be included with the battle. Comes with a warranty card. Comes with some extra literature on more models that they sell. And here is the user manual, which we'll go into this in a little bit. Comes with a lanyard and an extra set of O-rings. And here's the light. Now right offhand, this is quite a bit smaller than some of the other 4 AA battery lights that I have been getting. But this has got a nice style to it, but it is small. Just really nice quality on this. We're going to go ahead and bring it up to you guys. Look at the finish on this. Very nice finishing on this. Machining is incredible. Has a 2-button configuration. You can stand that up. Now this has multi-color LEDs, and this is just really nice. I'm going to go ahead and get you a close-up on this so you can see without getting a glare from the light. And that is really nice, smooth reflector. And this is running the XML L2 LED in there by Cree. And this is just really nice work, craftsmanship and finish on this. Really nice. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this up, show you what I'm running as far as batteries are concerned. And a lot of screwing later. Alright. We'll show you the cap first. And this does spin. Threads are very well greased. So I'm going to show you what I'm running. I'm running the Amazon Basics. These are 2,100 milliamps. And I'm getting about 2,300 milliamps on these. And these are very affordable, and they've been doing me really well. Okay, so the same way with that inner connections are the same as the tail cap. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put this back together. And the 2 prongs there to match that up. Go ahead and put this back together. Has a lot of screwing on this one. Alright. And that's that. Very nice. And I just want to show you in size comparison of a jet beam, which I did a review on. So you can kind of see that it is quite a bit smaller. Okay, and look at it, it's even smaller width-wise and thickness. So just kind of show you that as a reference. Okay, in order to get to moonlight or firefly mode, you're going to quickly turn that on, and that's only 1 lumen. Very impressive. Has a lot of different modes, so we're going to go ahead and go through them now. This is the power button, this is the mode button. So we're going to turn on the power, and it cycles down through the UI, through the light outputs. And then you can double click the mode button. It gives you SOS. Now you can double click the power button to give you strobe. And you hit the mode button to go back to the regular UI. And this does have memory mode. So now we're going to shut the light off. Turn the light back on. Shows you that it remembers the last output. Now we'll turn it off, and you can press and hold the power button. Now we're going to go through the color light outputs. You have blue, strobe between blue and red. Now the next mode has beacon and strobe between the red and blue all together. Now that's incredible. I really like that. That's really nice. It goes back, and you're back. Now you can turn that off. Hit the button quickly, goes back to the regular UI. That's all there is to this light. It's very simple, straightforward. I like the multicolor LEDs right off back, and this quality is very nice. I'm really liking this a lot. So let's take this outside and see how it does in the wilderness. Here we are in the darkness, and we're going to go ahead and show you now the Sunwayman. And that's doing pretty good, usually making 25 feet out. We're going to go over to, and usually making the 55, 60 mark with that tree along the fence. Okay. So now this goes up to the highest level in the UI. So we're going to go ahead and go up. It's going to start from high. And look at that. Just a huge wall of light. Now look at the coverage area on this. Now I've got the spot up in the tree, and look at how well the spill was lit up. And now the spot's on the ground. That is just amazing. Now that is faintly making the schools, so the spot is not as focused or as powerful, but it's got a nice flood-like appearance. Very nice. There's 25 feet out. And remember, this is on turbo right now. And you see how it almost appears to be more flood light. If you can see up into the trees and on the ground. It's just an incredible performance from this little guy. Okay. Now we're going to cycle down, because it's going to go down to the UI. Still got some good range on this, usually making the tree of life. And we're going to go back up. I'll show you along the fence line so you can kind of see the beam range on that. Still very impressive. Okay, we're going to go down to the next level. Okay, this is still doing pretty good at this lower light output. Very usable. And actually still reaching the tree. All right. Now we're going to drop down to the next level. It is right where we were before. Alright, so now we're going to go to the colored spectrum of this light, which has some pretty good throwing distance, but not a lot. So I'm saying probably about 10 feet, maybe 20 feet at the most. It is faintly making the water spout, so can't really do too much beam distance on this, but it will show you on the fence. As you can see there, it does have a spot. Okay, so now we're going to show you the next color, which is blue, which has a little bit more light output there. So we're going to show you on the fence. Very floody on both the red and blue. Very nice. Now I'll show you the strobe. And then we'll do the beacon. Okay. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing did really well. And it has that unique feature of the multicolor LEDs. The beam and the throw is pretty good for only 880 lumens. I'm giving this a 9 out of 10. The build quality is very nice, as well as the nice LED strobe, special strobe feature that it has with the LEDs and the Cree in there. It did really well, and I think it's worthy of my 4AA battle coming soon to the YouTube channel. And I thank again for Banggood sending me this for review. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights to you in the future. And once again, if you are interested in this light, before I forget, just look up on the screen there and you will see my discount code so you can save some money on this light if you're interested in it. Okay, and that's it. Thanks again for watching. Take care.